this video, I will quickly show you how to set up paid newsletters using FluentCRM and Paid Memberships Pro. As a preliminary, we need to make sure that we have all the plugins that we need installed as well as activated. So go over to Plugins, Installed Plugins, and I will show you that I have FluentCRM, the basic plugin, FluentCRM Pro, and Paid Memberships Pro. Now what we need to do is create our newsletter membership level using Paid Memberships Pro. So over to the left sidebar, click on Memberships. That takes us to the dashboard here. Then we're going to click on Create a Membership Level. Right? And then we'll get this pop-up. Let's ask what type of membership level do you want to create, which is the cycle that you want to create, as well as whether it's a free membership or trial. So in this example, I'm going to choose monthly. So click on monthly here. And then we have this new add new membership level. Okay, so to speed up the process, I've already added in some dummy data for our new membership level. I've given our new membership level a name. I've added a description, the confirmation message for when the user subscribes, the initial payment for the first month, since it is a monthly newsletter subscription. We have here a check for a recurring subscription, the billing amount that will also occur every month. Now, your initial payment can be higher than your billing payment if they're not the same, if that's what you want to do. Then after that, you can have expiration settings, which we will not do for this example. Content settings, you can choose your category, which is based on post category. You can add single posts or single pages if you're protecting content, but for this example is just a regular newsletter. We're not protecting any content. And then after you have all that information, you're going to click Save Level. All right, so now we have our new membership level. The next step is now to set up FluentCRM with our newsletter list. Now that our membership level is set up, we need to create our newsletter list via FluentCRM. So on the left sidebar here, scroll over FluentCRM and then click on Lists. And then in the top right here, we're going to click Create List, and we're going to name this Successful Blogger Newsletter, and then click Create. Okay, so our Successful Blogger Newsletter is created. Important piece that we need now is that when a user subscribes to the membership, they're automatically placed into our Successful Blogger newsletter. In order to make sure that happens, we need to create an automation. So over here to the left sidebar again, we're going to scroll down until we get to automations. We're going to click automation. And then at the top here, we're going to click New Automation. We're going to name this automation funnel Successful Blogger Newsletter, just to be consistent. And then over here to the left, we're going to click on Paid Membership Pro. And then we're going to click on Membership Enrolled. And then click Continue. All right, so now we're here at our enrollment membership level for Paid Memberships Pro. And then we're going to click on subscription status. And what we're going to do is we're going to do subscribed, not pending or not unsubscribed. We're not doing pending because it's not a double opt-in because they're paying for this. So we're going to make sure that they are subscribed. If the contact already exists, what do we want to do? Do we want to update if it exists or skip this automation if contact already existed? We'll keep it set at update if it exists. There's nothing else we need to do, and then we will click on Save Settings. All right, so now we need to choose an action or goal. So here under our trigger for successful blogger newsletter, click the plus, scroll over the plus here and then click add action or goal. And then we're gonna click on apply list. So make sure you're on the CRM here. You're gonna click on apply list. And then you're gonna select the list, successful blogger newsletter, and then click save settings. All right, now that we have our apply list action here, we're gonna scroll below this and then the plus sign and then add another action. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to end this funnel here so that there's no other action. Click save settings. And then with our newsletter automation is currently in draft, so we wanna make sure that we publish that. Now that we have our membership level set up in Paid Memberships Pro, as well as our email newsletter list set up in FluentCRM, it's now time to test it out to make sure that it actually works. So before we get there, I do want to point out that in Memberships Pro, Paid Memberships Pro, sorry, under Settings and Payment Gateway, I have set it to testing only, and I will be using a dummy credit card for testing as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and sign out. Now that we're on the front end, we're going to click on membership levels. This is a page that was automatically created by Paid Memberships Pro, and I've added it as well as subsequent pages that Paid Memberships Pro has created to our navigation here. All right, so we have our membership level successful blogger newsletter for $6.99 per month. We're going to click select. All right, and then here we're going to see at the top the membership information, the description that we actually added for our membership level. And so here now I'm going to create a username. So I'm going to say test user. And then I will give a password, hopefully password match, put an email. I'm going to do, let's see, test at test. All right, copy that over. And then name, and then address. I'm just putting in some dummy details here. All right. Then now for the, need to put in phone number, so put in a fake phone number here. All right, and then for the card details, we'll copy this Visa debit card here. And then expiration date is 12/26. And then the CVC code or CVV code, we'll copy that. All right. And then click submit and checkout. And here we have a success. We've got our confirmation message that we've added to our membership level when we created it. Here it gives us our order number, paid status, our payment details here, and says that we have a monthly subscription for the newsletter. Then we'll click this link here at the bottom, view your membership account. Right? So we've got that, we've got the memberships, we've got order history. You see two down here because this is the second time I am testing this out, so yes. All right, then you go membership billing, where we were just at, your profile, membership orders, and membership cancel page. All right, and then here you can click to cancel your membership. All right, so we're gonna log out. So back to the membership account page, we're going to log out, and then we will log back into the back end so we can make sure that the user is subscribed to our email list. Now that we're logged back into the back end, let's check to make sure that our test user was subscribed to our newsletter. Here to the left, scroll over FluentCRM. First, let's go to lists. And here for our successful blogger newsletter, it does say we have 1 of 1 subscribed. And then let's go back over to the left and click on contacts. So here is our test user, and our test user has been subscribed to our successful blogger newsletter. And then the status does say subscribe. Okay, so this was a very quick demo on how to set up FluentCRM and Paid Memberships Pro to offer paid newsletters to your users. For detailed instructions, I have written an article. I have linked the article below in the description box below this video. All right, take care.